Ever wondered what it's like to escape the ordinary and wake up in the heart of a South African forest? I'm Brad, and I've stumbled upon a hidden gem in South Africa that's more than just a place to stay. It's an adventure waiting to happen. Nestled just 15 minutes away from George Airport, but what feels like light years away from the hustle and bustle, Sanjika Escapes is a wilderness haven surrounded by birdsong, soothing sounds of a nearby stream, and the fresh mountain air.
Listen. Nature.
Imagine stepping outside your door into a world where nature becomes your neighbor. I'm talking about the Boss House, a 2-bedroom ensuite escape fully equipped for your comfort. It's situated in an indigenous forest at the foot of the majestic Outeniqua Mountains, a place where rest and relaxation are a non-negotiable.
So if you want to stay the night, I'll leave a link to their website down in the description below. Let's get into the tour.
Alright, let's make our way inside and start this adventure with the inside patio. Picture this: tables, chairs, couches, and a bra. The perfect setting for lazy mornings and chilled afternoons as you soak in the enchanting forest vibes.
A cool thing about this room is that there's this stuff hanging over here. I don't think I should try. Oh hey, these are pretty good binoculars.
Now let's move on to the living room. It is a cozy room where you can sit on the comfortable couches, put your feet up, and enjoy the crackling fire. Take a look at this vintage dining table. It's like a page straight out of history.
Beautiful, comfortable, and good back support.
Into the kitchen we go, the heart of any home. Fully equipped and ready for your inner chef to shine. And if cooking's not your thing, well, there's always the local cuisine to indulge in.
There's this jar of something. Peppers, maybe tomatoes, but it's in this like a liquid. No idea what it is. If you have any idea, let me know what it is in the comments below.
Now, let's not forget about the guest bathroom, because even in the forest, nature calls.
There isn't much to see here. There's a toilet, there's a basin, and a cool view. Moving on.
And now, the bedrooms. 2 cozy rooms, both en suite, with an outdoor shower.
I love a good outside shower. This one is definitely up there.
But the adventure doesn't stop inside. Outside, we've got a boma area for those starry nights,
Which I'm definitely going to make a fire later at.
and a wood-fired hot tub for soaking under the open sky.
This is a premium hot tub. Am I going to use it? Maybe not. It's flippin' freezing here. Yeah, there's a pizza oven as well. Premium. It's a good chance I'm not going to make it in here because that takes a lot of skill. I'm just going to use the oven. I might have a pizza later. Shout out Woolies.
Now let's grab a hiking stick because I'm venturing into the enchanted forest.
I'm going to choose the classic wood one. I like it. What do you think?
A short walk takes us to the nearby river where I stumbled upon a hidden gem, a spot perfect for saying I do, surrounded by nature.
Maybe the bride and groom would stand over there. You'd sit in the crowd, obviously facing that way if they're standing there. Getting married in the forest, pretty cool.
There's even a quaint picnic area.
You are in the middle of the forest, surrounded by nature, and right next to this table, there's a stream running so loudly, which I hope you can hear. Listen. Nature.
As the sun sets, it's dinner time back at the house. I whip up a feast.
Tonight on the menu, we have a caprese pizza from Woolies. Shout out Woolies, please sponsor me. I love you. Pizza's ready. Let's go.
And of course, what's a night in the wilderness without a bonfire?
We have a flame. We're making progress. Let's go.
This is the life. I start the day by making some breakfast.
Oh, it's so burnt. Okay, and that is my breakfast combo. I mean, yes, it's a bit random. Eggs with peanut butter. I'll have them separate, obviously, not together. That's a bit weird. Don't judge me. Stop looking at me like that.
Today we're off on a hiking adventure to find the elusive waterfall on the property.
Almost forgot my hiking stick. How dare I? Now we can start the hike. Let's go.
As I ventured deep into the wilderness, the forest unveiled its secrets. The path less traveled, riddled with challenges and surprises.
This is a tight squeeze, man. I don't think these trees are supposed to be falling down like this.
The first challenge presented itself, a river crossing.
Okay, I have to try cross the river here. This is a pretty decently sized jump, which I'm not 100% convinced I'm gonna make. Let's go!
But then came the tricky part, jumping back to get my camera.
No! I'm soaked. I'm so soaked.
On to the next challenge, and this time a hiking stick became my trusty sidekick. A strategic throw across the river made it clear there was no turning back. I had to conquer the crossing.
Whew, I think that's hard part done. I'm just standing in the middle of the river recovering. I got the hiking stick. Feels good over here, doesn't it?
But the journey was not just about the river crossings. Along the way, I stumbled upon some peculiar mushrooms.
Check this mushroom out. I'm a little bit scared of what it'll do to you. I shouldn't touch it really, eh? Moving on.
And then I found something pretty interesting. A sturdy branch that was just begging for a climb.
Woo! Let's go! Does this look like a cool photo? Okay, I'm off. Hey. Let's go. Unfortunately, I got to this point where I can't cross it. The river is too thick and there's no rocks to cross it past. So unfortunately, I have to admit defeat and make my way back.
Sometimes challenges bring unexpected delights. Nature has a way of testing us and rewarding us all at once. Despite getting a bit lost, a little wet, and encountering challenges, the hike was a beautiful dance with the wilderness. The journey may not have led me to the elusive waterfall this time, but the adventure itself was a treasure chest of moments and discoveries.
It was one of the most fun hikes I've ever done because it wasn't as it was supposed to be. I had to figure it out on my own, use my tracking skills. Just call me Bear Grylls, okay? Time for some lunch. I'm starving, man. I just finished lunch and sorry, I didn't film it.
After lunch, I stumbled upon the beautiful dam on the property.
Let's go, I found the dam.
Take a look at this view. The dam, the Otaniqua Mountains, buffaloes grazing, and just pure, unadulterated peace. This place truly has it all. As the sun dips below the horizon, casting a warm glow over the dam, I find myself in awe of the beauty and magic that Sanjiki Escapes has shared with me. This journey, filled with laughter, challenges, and unexpected discoveries, has woven itself into the fabric of my memories. In these moments of quiet reflection, I've come to realize that this isn't just a destination. It's a sanctuary, a place where the symphony of nature harmonizes with the rhythm of your soul, and time slows down to let you savor every precious moment. So to whoever is watching this video, as you venture into the wild or simply find your own escape, may you discover the beauty in the journey, the joy in the unexpected, and the serenity in the stillness. Embrace the wonders that nature gifts us, for in every step lies a story waiting to be told.